Hey you guys, it's me, Gigi again. Yes, I'm back. You guys like my t-shirt? I like it too. It's a little cricket, can't you tell, huh? You know why? Because I made it myself. I don't give a... Anyways, welcome to my channel. And I'm back with another hair review. And I had to do it because I bought this wig. Let me tell you about this wig. I bought the wig for my daughter's birthday late December. I got it somewhere in December. It came on time and everything. It came in a matter of days. I got it from ebonyline.com. Ebony as in ebony line.com, you guys. It's this wig, the newborn, what is this? The newborn free U-shaped lace wig. It was only 40 bucks, you guys. 40 bucks. I think it's like 40 inches. Well, I'm gonna show you how. I'm gonna tell you how I was able to turn this wig into a Brazilian wig. So I call it the 40-inch Brazilian wig. I do, and I'm very confident in it. You know why? Because this is not the wig. This is the wig. I did a review on this one already, and this one was by Wonder Girl or some from AliExpress for 180 bucks. But I know that this wig has been very popular, and I had it, and it was tangling. It was giving me a hard time. This is my personal review. I got to my daughter's birthday party. It got kind of crunchy on me, kind of not one of those where I couldn't get, wasn't that bad, but it was low key. Y'all like my nails? I'm popping today. I'm really feeling popping. Got my little tights on. Look at my little tights. Anyways, gotta slap that thigh. We said that. Anyways, the wig was cool. I flat ironed it very hard. And I wrapped it. Well, not wrapped it, but kind of at the top part. So the day of the party, I put it on, and at 1-ish, 12, I didn't even go any, it tangled, okay? It tangled a lot. On the ends, it tangled, and the cap is very thin. So when you wear this cap wig with this company, this one, make sure your cap is thick and black. Thick and black, okay? Not thin. Get that thick stuff. The thick black, a good, nice cap. And then what you'll do is you'll just, foundation it at the top. Don't get a stocking like that, like I did. My hair was in plaits, and you can see the plaits because it's blonde. At the time, it was blonde, like 613 blonde. I had like short 613 hair I would wear around the house. When I go out, I put my wig on. But I just went full natural, cut it off, dyed it, started all over. So we're not gonna do that review of my own here right now. Probably not until summer. Anyways, this wig is a good wig. Thumbs up for our synthetic levels, okay? Because I've had some synthetic. I've never bought synthetic that much. Not really. I have, but the thing I can say about this wig, as far as the synthetic, and to be that long, it did pretty good. It was a little shiny, a little bit. It gave me synthetic vibes. It kind of blew. My cover started getting blown after a few hours of the party because I'm sweating, I'm chasing my baby, I'm pizza, I'm all over the place. The wig is just drawing up. Long story short, I got the wig home safely, safe and sound. And I thought about it. I was really upset, and I was ordering this wig. So while I was waiting on this wig to come, which is this month, this is the 12th of January, Friday night. Yes, I'm at home at 8 o'clock, 8:30. Yes, I go to bed around this time too, by the way. I'm kind of sleepy. Anyways, what I did was, I'm going to show you the wig. I was going to put it on, but you guys wouldn't have believed me. You would have thought I had this on again, and I would have been playing some freaky game with you. Okay, so this is the wig. You see that? This is the part. It's a beautiful part. Beautiful. Nice cap. It fits very snug. It's just that it's kind of transparent a little bit. And you see that? it looks, I just wet it a little bit as far as damped it, just so I can, so I can floss. But it stays like this all day. Don't get it twisted, you guys. What I did was, let me tell you the secret. For all of you synthetic wigs, I know y'all boil them. I know. But I boil mine. Well, this is the first time I boiled it. So what I did was I put it in two loose wrapped braids. Don't make the braids too tight. Don't stress it. Start it around this area. Don't have it all the way up. Just two nice Indian braids. And at the end, leave about that much to hang. Don't braid it to the very end, because now it's going to look, you're not going to pull off that Brazilian look you want. It's going to look fake. It's going to look tricky. Leave that tip alone. Just about that much hanging out of the rubber band. Loose two braids, okay? Nothing, that's it. Dip the whole head. The hell? Dip the whole wig inside of a pot. And what you're going to do is add a few squirts of this. Can you see? I'm looking for, there we go. Okay, we're going to add a few squirts of that. And a little bit of olive oil. It's just like I co-washed this wig. I co-washed it with very hot water, let it soak in some hot water in a hot bowl of hot water for about 5 or 10 minutes with this same stuff with some olive oil. But instead, you're gonna boil this because this is synthetic, you guys. Don't wait too long though. After a couple of wears or so, like about 5, a little bit of wears, poquito, okay, poquito. A little bit of wear. Don't be talking about a month later you want to dip it. Nah, nigga, it ain't gonna work. It might work, but you have to trim some stuff because it's gonna be real wispy and tricky. So anyways, you put it in the pot for about 5 or 3 or 2 minutes. Just a good dip, like you dipping your hair, your braiding hair, because it's kind of pretty much that's what it is. Dip that mother lover, take it out. Don't wait. I didn't. Kind of let it cool off, but don't rinse it with nothing. Don't bother with it. That ink is going to come off. The ink came off of this one too. That ink is what kind of makes it tangly and matty and weird. It's too much. It's over processed, I guess, especially if you get it in jet black. And this is jet black. It was a lot of ink in it. Anyways, let me stay on. I'm rambling right now. Anyways, you take that thing out. You untie. You cut the rubber bands out because it's going to be smoky hot. And you just kind of shake it, and you just kind of run your fingers through it and you unbraid it. And look at it. I mean, look at it, you guys. You just can't beat that. Look at those waves. Because keep in mind, this wig comes straight. It has luster to it now. It's shine. It's not oily. It doesn't stick. You know what I mean? When you're finished and you got that wig out, it's dripping. Yeah, it's dripping. That's what you want. Leave it at that state. Don't try to rinse it. Don't try to take a towel and squeeze it out. Leave it kind of at its state where it's at because it's in shock. You unravel it over the sink. While it's unraveling, you throw your fingers, unbraid it, and you throw your fingers through it. It's cooling off now. And while it's still hot, you take some of this. Okay, can you see that? All right, there we go. I'm trying to get that shine off. Okay, you guys, y'all like my nails? Look at that, they bomb. I keep them short because I'm a mom and I'm really busy. Okay, so you spray with this. This is like leave-in conditioner, and it's 10-in-1 Rescue. I put this on my real hair. This stuff right here, I want to do a review on. I might just talk about it just now. It's Life, okay? And this with it, this particular one, Moisture Lock, is Life, okay? To the wig, to my hair is very dry. I live in the desert. It's very dry, even in the winter. It's always dry. My lips are dry. Probably right now. I'm thirsty as hell. I'm parched. So these are the main 2 things you need in olive oil for your wigs, especially your synthetic. Once again, braid it loosely. 2 braids, drop it in some, turn the water off too, you guys. Turn the water off. I can't stress the fact of that. Don't leave the water boiling because you'll singe the hair, and now it's gonna just do what it was already doing, but kind of quicker. Don't do that. You don't want it to get singy and matty. It'll mat up. It'll kind of borderline melt. So turn the pot off, drop the 2 braided wig in there, kind of poke at it, make sure it's in there like you're making some noodles or I want to say noodles because that's what I be doing. I be with the knife, with the fork, waiting on my noodles, staring it. Okay, take it out while it's still hot over the sink. Unravel it. Spray it with some of this. Get you a weave brush. I'm sure all of you guys have it, or even your finger, especially a weave brush though, and like a small tooth comb. Don't think it's not gonna work. It's gonna work. You just comb through it. Sit on the doll's head and comb through it and mold it, however you want to do it, and let it hang dry, you guys, for a couple hours, at least 6 hours. You know, some hours, maybe at least 4 to 3 hours. You want it to hang dry, so you can know for sure it's real. It's really like dry. That's pretty much it. I got the hair, you guys. Like I said, this is the newborn free U-shaped lace wig, and I got it from ebonyline.com. Let me tell you about ebonyline.com. A lot of people sleep on them. I noticed that. I watch a lot of reviews. I've been doing YouTube. I've been on YouTube since it probably started. I had this account since 06. I just don't. I'm shy as hell. So I'm coming out of my shell 10 years later. I know, right? And I was just like, I know so much about wigs. I buy hair a lot, like a lot, because I get bored very fast. If you like us, check my Instagram out, and that's GIIGIIMAGIQ, Gigi Magic, same name as my YouTube. I'm sleepy, so that's why I'm getting that sexy glare over my eyes. I'm getting slow blinked it, yeah. Anyways, I've been, I know my hair. I know enough to know. I built wigs. I've did it all. I've been on a journey with a lot of you women watching you with your, YouTube channels. And it's a hobby for me. Cooking's a hobby. A lot of other stuff. I made this shirt. I said in the beginning of the video, I had to. Because I was like, I want me a little Gucci shirt, a little DG shirt, my little jewelry on, my little, you feel me? So I was like, how am I get that shirt? I'm not paying no $60-something for that. Baby, got me a pack of Hanes. 7 in a pack. Okay, you get 2 free ones sometimes, and I did. And I got it in the junior section so it could fit me real good. See how I folded that? You see that? That was cute. I had to do that because I wanted to give it that, like, oh, she paid for that. That's mine. You know what I mean? And I copied it and put it on some transfer paper and ironed it on. That was it. And just folded this a few times, ironed it on. That's another story. But you guys know, if you want me to show you how to do it, I can do that. Don't forget to leave. Yeah, I am ending this video. Yeah, I am. I'm tired. It's almost 9 o'clock and I'm deepy. Anyways, you guys, this is it for the newborn. You see that? Look at that. Goes, look. I'm telling you, all day long, I'm not joking, y'all. I swear to God. Put this thing on $40, 40 inches, Brazilian loose waves, okay, for $40. That's going to be the title. Yeah, it's going to be $40, a $40, 40-inch Brazilian loose wave. Yeah, it is. From Ebony Line. It was only like 40-something bucks. Came up to like 50 bucks. It came in 3 days. They were very communicative. Not as much as AliExpress from this hair. These people, they kind of bug me to death. They're actually bugging me now because they want this review. So, well, the other one that I did for this hair. So, if you guys like this video and you like me to do reviews more, I will love to do them. I'm introducing myself to you guys. My world to your world. Look at that. Synthetic. I'm not lying. I'm telling y'all, this. She make that shit look crazy, huh? I looked on the thing. I'm like, I don't want to buy it. Look how she looking. And then it was a part right here where it was looking like it wasn't cut right here, like up in this area. But I didn't know it was a white, like, sherry picture thing right there. I didn't know it had the extra white piece on it. I don't know. It just looked crazy when I seen it online. And I'm just looking.